And now let's get the structure of our department. At the top, we have the general manager, and we have two functions. We have the material and purchasing function, include three positions: scheduler and inventory officer. And on the other hand, we have the distribution manager. Now let's go to the detail of each of the positions. First is for me, the general manager. The general manager has three main functions about we have the warehousing goods, moving goods, and managing staff. Firstly, the manager has the responsibility to arranging warehouse, cataloging goods, and rotating shipment. And in addition, the movement of goods is also the responsibility of the manager. Arranging the timely pickup and transport is the tricky process, and the manager needs to minimize the downtime between each of the process. And finally, the manager also needs to organize and allocate their staff to meet the performance of the department. So next, each officer will give you the presentation about their position.
Hello everyone, my name is Ha and my position is purchasing manager. So do you know anything about the purchasing manager? Basically, my job is to source and search for whatever the business requires to do in order for them to carry out and catch up with their goals, and that's why I have to find some really good products and suppliers. In terms of their best value and delivery schedule, and of course the qualities. And so that is what I am responsible for too, and like finding more profitable and potential suppliers. As you know, a really good suppliers will help us to solving lots of problems about the purchasing of the business. So my responsibility is to maintain a really good supplier, more potential suppliers, keep the relationship with them, and while I'm doing this, and I still finding and locating for more profitable suppliers. And the skill that I have to do for that my job requires is I have to work on the computer so much, so to control the system. So I have to know about the Microsoft programs and Excel, something like that, and of course some personal skill like active listenings and talking and critical thinking, because I have to make the supplier sign contract with me, so it's my turn to make them believe and do the business with me. So let's move out to another position.
Hello, my name is Paul, and I'm the scheduler of operating this department. My job is to optimize the productivity and minimize the plant downtime. This can be done by manage the work in 2 weeks or 1 month in advance. And I have to contact the maintenance department and operating planning to ensure that the assigned area, department or facility will receive the professional maintenance service in a timely manner to ensure the productivity and performance. And so I'm responsible for ensuring that the production line will flow without any incident. So if there are any problems, I will have to analyze and fix the issue. Then I will have to contact the necessary department if there is any change in the schedule. If you want to be in my position, you have to meet some basic requirements, such as you have to understand the process of the production line. For example, you will know how many stages the line have and what does each stage do. In addition, you have to be organizational. It means you have to set the the schedule is fixed and follow it smoothly so that it can ensure uh, productivity. And now the next part is the inventory. The officers is welcome Mr. Tang.
Okay, my name is Ang, and my position is inventory officer. For the description, I like my daily works is like receive the product and material from our department, put all the stuff in place, and analyzing the inventory. I will define whether the inventory we need more product, more material, something need to be changed about inventory. My responsibility is inventory management and analysis. Evaluation and improvement, also evaluation and improvement process in supply chain. If you want to be in my position, you need deep knowledge about SCM's supply chain management knowledge, both traditional and ESCM. Also, I need interpersonal skill and communication skill because I'm going to talk a lot with the other department. For example, I'm going to talk a lot with sales and manufacturing to make sure you have enough input to run the activity. So that's on my part. I'm going to pass it to Fu for the last position of our department.
Hi. Distribution in brief is the process of deliver goods to the customer. And the first is delivery. That means we collect the data from the customer via phone or email, and we will confirm the quantity product, the type product, and the way of transportation. This is they refer to the truck or the trail or the airplane. And after that, we do zero on the information to set a schedule and plan for it. This is very important because transportation is cost about 5 to 10% of the total cost. The next is when you're on the road, you need to understand the regulation, the rules. For example, in Vietnam, sometimes you must pay the government money for the police, and after that they don't know who you are, and you have no force, and you can leave. And that's it. And we also have the department to manage the inventory because we daily work with physical goods and the direct transaction with the customer, so we know how much the inventory in the warehouse, and that will give us a way of storing too much stock or keeping too little stock. It leads to the stock out and do not have enough stock to support for the customer. And the last one is collecting customer complaints. It's the job of the delivery. They imagine that if the customer they have a problem with the product, it's easier for them to contact with the people in the delivery team because rather than they go to the office. Because in the office, the officer maybe they are very busy and maybe they don't know what are you talking about. And so talking directly with to the delivering man, so this is very effective to us. This is also end of our presentation. Thank you.